tape, on the tape, on the tape. We gonna take back. On the tape, on the tape, on the tape. We gonna take back. On the tape, we gonna take. Yeah, we take that. Listen. And the band played on, scored a sequence of peace for my Elon. Spread through the procession with the phaeton, hitched up the thoroughly bred Equine Betty, try and cover the spread. Then get butter and bread truck, must have been something I said. Cinnamon sugar on my raison d'etre. We shake on credit, contract words, negotiate the merger to further the fake arm gesture. Dribbled the ribbled off a baseline, 9 up in the seat, cogitating. I preach for God's sake, flung a bit of syllable off the sweet tongue, gold dome, terrorized repo, and nullify my lodestone, pulverized, subtle I rep, and don't apologize to people for indecency. The frequency is equalized by the miss. Got this doctorate in absolution, caught another body shot and stabbed and headed back to Houston. Tack escape routes to board bulletins, pulling the stake out. Flash shakers, 4 of them slaughtered inside the safe house. Kowtow, powering nigga, triggered the zigzag with decibel. Let a few settle and fled the vestibule. Inestimable gin swap for peridot, pouring it off his hard rock. Shoppers go hysterical, veritable tradesmith. Cakes if coordinate the bracelet with the facelift. Slip away, they spit on your grave. From the makers of placebo, a trio push to ameliorate the feverish, deceiving and slow. With thieves and crooks booked up in the state's prison system. It's marketed disregarding the rate of recidivism. I send a petition, rescind the vendor, minister free of influence. Please, the pen needs instruments, incriminated, incarcerated, incriminated.